friends, in this tutorial we discuss about rectangular tool. You can choose it from large tool set or type shortcut key or in the keyboard. Then you can create rectangular. Click to start, then drag towards which direction you want. Again click to finish. If you want exact dimension rectangular, so again start rectangular, then drag. Here you can type your value 50 feet, comma 60 feet. Enter. The same way you can create comma 100 feet. The same time you can create square also. Just use rectangular tool and click. You can see the perfect diagonal lines. It shows square. So just click finish to see square. Otherwise you can create square with the perfect dimension. So now I enter 70 feet, comma 70 feet. Enter. Bonus tip for rectangular tool. Okay, first I choose rectangular tool from the tool set. So normally we create a rectangular the Z axis. Okay. So if I need to create rectangular based on red axis means I use arrow keys. I use right arrow. So your rectangular tool automatically change red color. Note it. Just click and see your rectangular based on red axis. I want to create rectangular in green axis. In rectangular tool, I use left arrow key. Now my rectangular created. Now I need Z axis. So up arrow. So it's automatically turned blue color. Okay. So normally we create a rectangular in blue axis. So this way you can create your rectangular with perfect axis. For example, now I want to create this side. So I am using, again I want to create this face. So I am using left arrow key for a green surface. Again I want to create this side. So I am using right arrow key. Again I want to create this side. So I am using left arrow key for the green axis. That's all. This way you can create your rectangular very quickly with the perfect side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.